In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CV in Canva. We'll go from a blank dashboard to a polished, job-ready document you can send out with confidence. Start by opening Canva. On the home page, head to the search bar and type CV templates or resumes. You'll see a large gallery of professionally designed options. Browse a bit and choose a style that fits your industry and audience. If you're applying through applicant tracking systems, lean toward a clean, text-focused layout with straightforward sections and minimal graphics, so your details are easy for both software and recruiters to parse. Once you've selected a template, click into it to edit. Select a text box and replace the sample content with your own contact details, a concise professional summary or objective, your work experience, key skills, and education. Keep your summary 2 to 3 lines, and in your experience section emphasize outcomes, think action verbs and measurable results. Keep dates and job titles consistent in format from top to bottom. Now tailor the look. Canva's drag and drop editor makes it simple to adjust fonts, sizes, and colors. Pick 1 or 2 readable fonts and use size and weight to create a clear hierarchy for headings and body text. Choose a restrained color palette. A single accent color for headings often looks polished and keeps attention on your content. If you want to add elements, use the left-hand menu. Lines can separate sections neatly, and subtle icons can highlight contact info. You can also upload a professional headshot through the Uploads tab, if that's appropriate for your region and industry. Keep any images high quality, well lit, and cropped closely. Use clear section headings, short bullet points for responsibilities and achievements, consistent spacing, and enough white space so the page breathes. Before exporting, review and refine. Proofread carefully, zoom in to check alignment, and read it aloud to catch awkward phrasing. Consider duplicating the design to create tailored versions for different roles, mirroring keywords from the job description where it makes sense. When you're ready, click the Share button in the top right, choose Download, and select PDF Standard. This format preserves your layout and is widely accepted for applications. Save a copy with a clear file name, then preview the PDF to confirm everything looks crisp. Thanks for watching.